this video, I'm excited to share 10 affordable family activities. As a parent, I know how challenging it can be to find fun things to do with your family that don't cost a fortune. Activity number 1 on our list is a classic family favourite, having a picnic in the park. This is a great way to enjoy the outdoors, soak up some sunshine, and spend quality time with your family without spending a lot of money. All you need is a blanket, some homemade snacks, and a beautiful spot to set up your picnic. To make your picnic even more enjoyable, consider bringing some fun outdoor games, like a frisbee, a football, or a kite. You can also bring along some books or magazines to read, or even a deck of cards for a family-friendly game of Go Fish. Having a picnic in your garden is also a great option, especially if you have a nice lawn or patio area. You can even get creative and set up a DIY picnic area using some old blankets, pillows, and some string lights. Activity 2. DIY movie night at home. Cinemas are expensive, and the extra costs that go with them, the snacks, parking, and any other impulse purchases while you're out and about, mount up. So instead, make your house the cinema. To make your movie night even more enjoyable, consider setting up a DIY concession stand with some of your favourite snacks and drinks. You can also create a cozy atmosphere by dimming the lights, lighting some candles, and even adding some comfy blankets and pillows to your seating area. If you're not sure what movie to watch, consider letting each family member choose a movie and then vote on which one to watch. You can check a website like commonsensemedia.org if you are unsure about if the film that gets the most votes is suitable for everyone. Activity 3. Nature Scavenger Hunt. All you need is a list of items to find, some comfortable shoes, and a sense of adventure. To create your scavenger hunt list, consider including items like different types of leaves, rocks, flowers, and insects. You can also add some fun challenges, like finding a bird's nest or identifying different types of trees. If you get stuck, then check online. There are plenty of ready-made options to print out or look at them for ideas to add to your list. You can also turn it into a friendly competition by seeing who can find all the items on the list first. Activity 4. DIY arts and crafts. This activity works best with younger kids, but if you make it relevant either with the project you are doing or the materials being used, you can get anyone involved and enjoying themselves. If you're not sure what project to work on, consider searching online for some fun and easy DIY arts and crafts ideas. There are plenty of websites and blogs that offer step-by-step instructions for a wide variety of projects, from homemade jewellery to home decorations. Activity 5. Board game night. All you need is some of your favourite board games, some snacks and drinks, and a cosy place to play. Some of our current favourites are Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, Happy Salmon, Throw Burrito, or if we fancy a longer game, My Little Scythe is a great choice. You can even use the models you get with it for your crafts projects by painting your characters. If you have any other family-friendly board games, then let me know in the comments. We are always on the hunt for a new game to play. Overall, a board game night is a fun and affordable way to enjoy some friendly competition and spend quality time with your family. So grab your favourite games, get ready to roll the dice and have fun. Activity 6. A virtual museum tour. If you didn't know, then it's possible to virtually walk around some museums online for free. All you need is a computer or tablet with internet access and a sense of curiosity. Consider choosing a variety of museums to visit, from the Louvre in Paris to the Smithsonian in Washington, DC. Find out if your kids are working on any particular topics at school at the moment and see if you can find something on theme to visit. Activity 7. Family Game Tournament. For those with a competitive side, this is a great way to enjoy some friendly competition and learn new games. To make your game tournament even more enjoyable, consider choosing a variety of games to play. From classic games like chess and checkers, to swing ball, football, running, cycling, whatever you have available. You can also create a fun atmosphere by decorating your playing area with balloons and streamers and offering prizes for the winners. Activity 8, Cooking Challenge. A lot of the activities can be made more fun with snacks. Well, why not turn making the snacks into one of the activities? This is a great way to learn new recipes, improve your cooking skills, and spend quality time with those loved ones without spending a lot of money. To make your cooking challenge even more enjoyable, consider choosing a theme for your challenge, like Italian cuisine or baking. You can also create a fun atmosphere by dressing up in chef's hats and aprons. There are lots of family-friendly cooking shows on YouTube, and they could inspire something in your kids. You can also challenge each other to come up with your own unique recipe using a specific set of ingredients. Activity 9, a family talent show. Have a star in the family, allow them to showcase their talents. Consider choosing a variety of talents to showcase, from singing and dancing to magic tricks and comedy skits. You can also create a fun atmosphere by decorating your performance area with posters and offering prizes for the most creative performance. If you're feeling brave, then you have to try each other's talents too. Activity 10, Explore. Whether by bike, scooter, walking, or shoulder carry, try going further than you have before. Speak to friends and family and see if they have a favourite park that you haven't been to. Make it an adventure getting there, with a new park to play in at the end of it. If you struggle to balance spending quality time with the family and managing your personal finances, you will find the video over here helpful. If you have any other activity ideas or games to suggest, make sure that you leave a comment. Like this video if it inspired you, and thank you for watching.